Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to pressure test the generator cylinder head. To do this, you need to first of all box up all the cylinder head necessary parts, and you need to box up the cylinder head jacket with the necessary O-rings, and you need to prepare a Teflon plug to plug those jacket cover where the jacket that nipple will bite, and you need to prepare a 4 plug for that. And once you plug, then start to fill the water on the cylinder head. At least you require 5 to 6 liter of a water. So once you fill the water, you need to prepare a connection like where you can connect a pressure gauge and a air hose for supplying air pressure to pressure testing. Once you connected the air hose and pressure test at 5.5 bar, I am here testing at 5.5 bar, and my jacket pressure is around 3 bar on normal generator, 3.2 like that. So I am testing with 5.5 bar and check for any leakage through bottom. And also particularly you need to check this fuel valve pocket. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you in next video with another useful information.